Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In the series of data structure playlist, today we are going to see about queues. Okay, so in my types of queues video in the previous part, that itself I have mentioned that queue means it is first in first out or last in last out, right? So here also I am going to give the same definition, first in first out and last in last out. Okay, which means what? Whichever element that goes first will be coming out first. Whichever element goes out last, sorry, whichever element goes in last, it will be coming out last. Okay, so always I recommend you to study with some example for this data structure. Meanwhile, it may be of a real time so that it can be more useful and you can easily recognize all the data structures. Okay, so the example for this is cinema ticket counter. Why I am telling the cinema ticket counter? Because there are a queue standing there, right? So that's different queue and this is different queue. This is data structure. That it will be like person standing next to next person, right? So that the first person who is entering into the queue will be getting the ticket at first. Whoever entering at last will be getting the ticket last. Can you understand this? So this is going to be a real time example. If you are going with the computer science, then in OS you will be using scheduling, right? In the scheduling, you will be having first come first serve, first come first serve. In that, you will be using this queue data structure. Can you understand this? Yes. So this is the quick introduction to queue, and I want you to understand that queue, yes, its implementation or its functionalities alone, which means the ADT of queue. I want you to understand the ADT of queue. Okay, which means you don't want to understand the implementation, but you want to understand what are all the things we can do in the queue. First of all, whatsoever the data structure we want to insert, right? So push, or we can call this as NQ. So this is the technical term NQ. Now pop, which means DQ. Okay, then peak or top, anything. Okay, so this is going to be your three fundamental and important functionalities of queue. You don't want to understand the implementation in this video. I will be telling you in the next video or upcoming video. But as of now, know that these are the ADT of queue. There are much more functions we can implement in queue, but these are the fundamental functions. Okay. Now, if you clearly see this, what is meant by NQ? I will be inserting an element into the queue. What meant by DQ? I will be popping out or I will be removing the element from the queue. What is my top? I want to check what is the top element, which means what is the first element in the queue. Okay. So these are the ADT of queue. Now let's see what are all types of queue that are available. So type of queue. So the first type is going to be normal queue. Normal queue. Okay. Then the next type will be your circular queue. Circular queue. And then the next type will be double-ended queue. Double-ended queue, which is also called as DQ. See here, this DQ and the above DQ operations are different. It is a data structure. That is a this this DQ will be your operation or a functionality. Okay, just don't collapse it. Okay, so the fourth one will be your priority queue. Priority queue. So this priority queue will be playing a huge part. Like it is a heap data structure. I'll be teaching that. Then we are going with the non-linear data structure after the trees. Okay. So as of now, just know that these are all the types of queues, fundamental types of queues. And in the upcoming videos, I will be taking each and every type of queue. Okay, and I will be demonstrating its implementation, and also I will be telling you the code implementation of particular things. Okay, so these are the types of queues and editing and the definition of queues. So this is enough for the introduction to the queue. In next video, we will be seeing the normal queue implementation and its coding part. Okay. So if you really like this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't skip any videos in this playlist because all videos will be helpful once you are going for the problem solving. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will be just rectifying the doubt, or else I will be just putting another video on that. Okay. So thank you.